In this video, we're going to take a look at the Spigen Tough Armor Pro case for the brand new iPad 12.9 2020 edition, but this one also works for last year's 12.9 2018 iPad. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have Spigen's new iPad Pro 12.9 Tough Armor Pro case for obviously the new iPad Pro 2020 edition, but this one also works for 2018's edition just fine. You're just going to get a bigger camera cutout there on the back. Now pick this up on Amazon for about 35 bucks with Prime shipping. Link will be in the description if you want to go ahead and pick this up. Now some of the features this has is it does have a kickstand feature, so you can actually prop your iPad if you're out and about, and it does have a pencil holder place for your Apple Pencil. It does not interfere with the charging whatsoever, so you can fully charge your Apple Pencil. The case does not interfere with that, as you can see right here. Apple Pencil mount and charge. Let's flip this packaging over. You can see the kickstand feature there. It's a pretty big kickstand. It does have air cushion technology, so you are protected if your iPad happens to take a fall. You are going to be protected, and it is drop tested by military grade standards, and you do have that pencil holder as I mentioned. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the case, and voila, boom, look at this bad boy. It has this carbon fiber look there, just like their Tough Armor case for their smartphones. This one's for the iPad Pro. The kickstand is here. Boom, very durable, snaps in place. You can put that up like that and the iPad is not going anywhere. And what is this? This is basically the instructions on the iPad case here. Now the kickstand is removable. It says you can actually remove the kickstand, or if it breaks it is replaceable. And this is a two-piece case, so it is a hard plastic shell there and a soft TPU there, and you can actually pry the two apart, so no problems there if you need to do that. So let me go ahead and grab my iPad, and I do have the pencil here, so we're gonna go ahead and slide this bad boy in here, kind of slide it like this to the side. Boom, that's in, that's in. Boom, and look at that. It fits. It does not add too much bulk to the iPad whatsoever. You do have this added border here, but that's where your pencil goes, and you're just gonna slide your pencil in like that, and it is gonna charge, so you have no problems with it charging there. If you want to remove it quickly, you do have this open portion here where you can just kind of press and it pushes the pencil out of its slot there, and you can make it accessible and you can start writing and everything. But it's a nice thing to have this added kind of pencil holder there, so you don't have to worry about it falling off of your iPad if you have it in the bag or if you're traveling and stuff like that. But it feels very snug. I do have a tempered glass screen protector here installed currently on the iPad, and it does not look like the case interferes with the tempered glass screen protector. So I am waiting on my Paperlike screen protector, because I am going to put it on this one, and it doesn't seem like it's going to affect it at all, because this just goes right to the edge of the screen, and I don't see any issues with this case and screen protectors whatsoever. But there you have it, guys. This is the Spigen Tough Armor Pro. Look at this case. Bam. Let's go ahead and move the camera so you can get a good look of it, how it looks when it's set up on the desk, how it's propped open, the angle you're gonna get. And you can see the angle of the iPad here. It's a nice angle. You can also flip it this way like this, so if you want to draw and right on your iPad. This angle right here is going to be more suited, and you see it is pretty sturdy and pretty solid. So you writing on the iPad is not going to affect the case or the stand whatsoever. So this is a pretty sturdy iPad here, and it's looking pretty good. So the buttons, I forgot to mention that the buttons are nice and tactile, very responsive. They're nice and soft, they're not firm at all. And this is pretty funky right here because you do have this added space between, and this is where your volume rocker is, but these buttons do not affect the volume buttons. It presses them really nice. They feel nice and clicky and very responsive, so there's no issues there. As you can see, they work just fine. You can see the volume up and down there working just fine. All your speaker ports are nice and precise. Your mics are nice and cut out, so there's no issues there. You have your charging port there open, Type-C, and you're good to go. Nothing on the left side, but I think another mic, and here's just your pencil holder. So there you have it, guys. This is the Spigen Tough Armor Case Pro for the iPad Pro 12.9. This one's for the current 2020 iPad Pro 12.9, but you can use it for 2018 model as well. $35. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick this up for your iPad. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you're notified when more iPad Pro videos drop. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.